Every 1 minute to be a my masinam. Every 1 minute to be a my masinam. Glass in crown. Glass in crown. Every 1 minute to be a my masinam. Glass in crown. Every 1 minute to be a my masinam. I can't be a way. Coffee, free coffee and shit, man. Where coffee warm up. Every 1 minute to be a my masinam. Every number now here. Yo, I can't be a YBI when we now catch us a heavy flag in the Super Bowl. Now catch us a Ghana penny for more. Yes, a form Hannah and Nipa Nantan, your friend pedestrian route, and when you are turning in Aida. I am penny for him, Yansa, me to say a form what Nakazu and Sota. I'm a mini Nipa turning in Aida. From I Nipa Quine pedestrian route, Nipa Quine on Quas to sing, and Quine. I can't echo. Any assessor boys in India say, Omo Maya Quino. Ya Momon, not ya Momon got to damn it. We say, Car will be Ghana, Bibini, Osha, any assessor boys, and a dear normally ya Quino, a yabo, ya pine wine touchimine, ya pine wine touchimine. Quam ya frail baby, above 4, oh, qua, or face any iron in her, a cement near Riani abo, and ye near the iron Ross Ashisho, and catch us every flag boys in there, you know. Or more yamish, Nipa ne yamin free mu mayahwe, Yami any baby and a baby amount, Tia Mecano, and to car win and mix it at the end of concrete. No car win and mix a boys in India or more yamish. Look, your more minima dear Bibini from Ham, a yabo. I mean, zooming a henny, I go for the Baumia, when you pass a moye, Musun Sumo, sick a dear rough from Bassabas. I won't tell you, only Panay and Cromuye. Share a yabo. Montieni Bibini Jimmy and Hontor. I'm telling you, Bibini Jimmy Chebia. Want to say Bibini Beshian Sam Minyam. Mamma coffee now, and I'm Tiafumu and Casabine Metrico. Massa Camaria Kukura, Menes, 1 CD Akotokra, 1 CD, Mitokoko, and yes, 50 pesos, go see 50 pesos, Cranyamia Dauroma. Nipa na ya den ebia no mo de tini ade no ebia wo ma me twanche na hwe ne ebia. Hi, how are you? Have a good day. I'm showing African people how you make the work site in the United States. Look, eye nipa na ye hwe fom. Bibini wa Jimmy am catch a good. Every 1 minute to be a my varsity. Time catch us and no so atosa. All right. Yo, thank you. Yo, glass and min cameraman, I'm in job. Min camera. Okay, look. I'm educating them. Wait, anya nipa na ye. Any pana ye meboa.
That's also 100%.
Catch you.
100%.
Almost time
all the way.
Yeah, thank you. Nyamisha wati Bojuma. No amount of lies can defeat truth. I'm telling you. Mopamun Chantuem Kusiaga. Why did you got option? Put it inside. I'm very popular in the United States in German fan chemical. Why you got option? I go for the whole time. Jimmy, that's be back. And you, Jimmy. Wait, me see a brassmate for 1 year. I am not there any other robber him. Obi so adwuma so obeba no ababe eye Jimmy onya se bia opatem ni di odim panifo atemo eye Jimmy na majimi anti Jimmy no munya ya minimum wie everyone kwa me wa bia wa we ka bia kwa bia wa bia wa we ka bia hia ne pass kwa na e ready no system ni ye adwuma forever eye abo ne anwea ana broni akofa abo na free tachiman Mami say ntwa na hwe ne broni akofa abo na free tachiman e de agu shape so de abaye ni krom hwe fam abaye ni krom yie na the whole nkan woman temu a wote kura mfuturo every 1 minute bi aban bass every 1 minute bi aban bass ni bi aboy am fa malam metena so konfo ni so fu bi ante so Sorry, kwa ya juma advert biya ye. Ya me share obi biya so tie no kre. Ya ma di energy naba. Obi say religious, don't bring religious matter. Tiria make a chire ono. Tiria make a chire oni. Religion is not bigger than Ghana. Mutie mi ye. Na make a chire say so bia a glass in kuma. E kwa bia e wa we ka bia nhia ne o. E kwa bia e wa we ka bia nhia ne o. Oh heaven. Yes, hallelujah, yes, Bebachina. Namika Jose, RAV4 2021, NNM and Temba. RAV4 Highlander 2019, TXNM and Temba. Yes, you are here for so many years. Me, I'm telling you, let me tell you from the scratch. Ya wo meto asori fie. Ya wo meto nkramusum fie. Ya wo meto bosomsum fie because me nana o ware bebrebe enti enam sa nti me nana ba ko na oye kramoni ena me nana ba ko so ye bosomsom ni because no yo hema omukutwa mponchiti ni ade omuko nsuom ko ya amamere ni ade omuyi apaye o de me ko bi mehwe ena me nana ba ko so ye maku oni o de me ko hallelujah yesu beba china me ko hwebi ye be chibro nsam ye ni nyina mehwe ni nyina. I'm telling you, I grew up na me stubborn. Enti me da fie we na kira no ma da we na enti ame na kwasia me da bia me ka se me dia mafia Maria Koko na dia ya Maria no Maria Koko enkramo min sisters na no eye Koko ton Mr. Baku your friend Sala your friend Baku me I'm a Muslim, I'm a Christian, and I'm telling you the reality. This time is the truth and now good news. Everyone minute to be a my master. Here I make a show on you, and now good year, everyone minute to be a my master. Love speed in our ban. Religion cannot stop anything because my catch was a religious and politics are the same people. Everyone minute to be a my master. Everyone minute to be a my master. Everyone minute to be a my master. Because I don't know Pentecost for years, Kajiminti. Akufuado na also see prison. The baby Juma ma sorry manu. The go see prison Akufuado. Akufuado nso nya sika the baby Juma ma Ghana for na said yes o baby Juma or the go see cathedral. Tia make catch on you. I'm telling you, until we catch them say religion have brought anything to Ghana. I'm telling you, religious ewa Ghana nyina mfa hwe mere Ghana. And I can give you example. Akufuado okwa sorry. Your friends like Baomi Akwa Kramo. And the people are suffering. And let's face the reality. The truth will always defeat lies. And to be energy kwama religious bia religion bia Ghana. Go channel that energy towards the politicians, the aimless and useless politicians. Now mumfa ensuonko UDS university wo na krani nyansuo nom. And the UDS I'm talking about, Nyankramo for one go, Nanya, Asoriko for one go, and Nanya tradition for one go. Everyone minute to be a my mass, and Ghana for one go. And all this religion came before, Ghana was there before all this religion came. Listen to me. And nobody should bring any religion. Because sometimes, you know, maybe dear temper. What you say, maybe dear temper, say, Krakwasi, be about commented. And Matua Mano. Say be akwasi bi timi comment and don't joke it bia ya sorry for one maka say bia mu Jimmy Yesu dey en waya amamo Ghana ho and I say bia mu Jimmy Muhammad dey en waya amamo Ghana ho comment to that akwasi na o comment no and say open me video na ya open say oti asema meka take your time, watch the whole video until then there Emma Jimmy phobia another because me no I insult based on nipa krona or the nkwasi comment ba on person betie na okrem ti dia make kire no na omukofasi ya bodua antoa no ensuo na nkasa ntime nhome agimefo ahemfofo ne di galamsi asensuo enti antoa no pe obi aku no obetimi aku obi aku ahemfofo ti dia make kire ni enti until then Ghana nye ya religion bia fa ne nsem hunu ntena ba bi until say Ghana first ti dia make no and nobody can defeat the truth. Nobody, I mean nobody. I'm telling you the reality. Nobody kwasia efom ha no ayanwea ne agrabos wo jimi egu abo ho ahenkro ye pai no ho wo jimi every 1 minute bi abai ba senamu na wo jimi nsuo to a mini nkofo every 1 minute bi abai ba senamu wo jimi nipa ne so gufie ye nya adwuma nye every 1 minute bi abai ba senamu na wo jimi ne manya wo na me di watema wo de fa regime bi bra ase every 1 minute bi abai ba senamu jama mo yare nipa nya aduane ni ekom di nipa a school 40 form nya konwa so ntra boys ni so gufie benya adwuma ye pa adwuma ye ya great jobs kwasia ko ai Israel for no mkofa amu Yesu ne bae omo ne gaza for their bomb tampe. Religion brings about division among group of people. The American, it divides people. Religion and politics divides people. It doesn't bring unity. I don't think okay omo Bible no the bae na Yesu waji nipa nyina nkwa yesi yo yate enso Yesu waji nipa nkwa no enne Yesu na etoto bomb ko geza ekukum nipa ti the American Israel for crowd omo se Bible mo ye untouchable. And I'm telling you, America kroma Jewish for crowd also che Israel for negu Israel. I'm telling you the reality. Listen to what I'm telling you. Sa ai for no geza for no so ye nkramofo ena ai for no Israel for no so ye ai a Christopher. Israel for no omoka Hebrew kasa. Geza for ka Arabic kasa. And this ankwasiafo we anya omontokwa na omukun Israel ni Geza hona. Enye Ghana ni bi asem. Ye problem ni say o man ni be ye benya nsu anom. Dum so kwasia sa Israel ho ye num light. Sa Geza hono every 1 minute bi abai ba asem. Woti ho asa okokun tokwa ama sa jimifo na mesra jimi no every 1 minute bi abai ba asem. Na me nuama egu Saudi Arabia omo ye nkramofo ba bia Muhammad wu ye fro Saudi Arabia ho na Mecca wono me nuama egu ho the way nkramofo ni treat you bad fro ayo de sesi afre Saudi Arabia fo man na egu Ghana fo na omo ye ai made ofie from na tie de omo ka kirew enti adan ne enso yenye ye kuro ye every 1 minute bi aman ba na yenya kwase religion sam na yenye ye kuro ye na yenso ye mia bi adwuma ne entra Ghana won yenso ye mfili better life ni bi na ye better na ye kwache bronsam ye kwache ayibaifo kwasia Yesu nti obi atwese ka kotwa ne maamiti ade asofo kwasia bi se ne maame ye bronsam enti se kramoni ana obi abetre TV so sofo ni si abetre TV so yiska dura tie de America no onye kramoni papa kramoni bi betra ho se obebu obi obetwese kan a onye kramoni tie de America no omudi gusom na nimase because me na no ye me na kramu a oye enemy nuama omo ye nkramofo enemy nuama ma omo gudam na bia wo de mesira ko nanti kofie bia kramoni abetra bia na kotie eho asem bisa se kramofo behind wo dan se na no mo tie di amaria wo hyedam ompie me ka asem na kire otie de kro tie no kre nkramofo mo ho kra ni asem me donyame me ka me nka na ada omo apart from hola hubakubaru omo de dede ha enipa adwen omo de dede tie mo wi a di wonte hwe omo ha adwen power afuo mu oye a Christopher kari baba oyo baba radio na abeso bi omo gusu jimisa na me ka cho se glass nko adan bia wa bia glass nko enti me siamu the truth is bigger than anybody in afuo mu and energy na eba no wonnim na se okofa wo religion bejimi a wo religion na nim begu ase because entimi face reality ne atebubu omo gu efom omo nyansuo numo atebubu na atebubu no anya nkramofo nko na guo na anya asorekofo na anya abosonsomfo aye Ghana fo na guo omo ne mponche ne nantwie na numsuo. And if we have energy we should channel to this useless and aimless politicians na omo wi oman sika what god so what jimia bibini ajimia isa apo bibini ajimia me ka kire broni kra onye opai nua wo krom na nipa nya konya so ntena what jimi wo yale you are sick I'm telling you eh obi amfa ni jimi nkokura masa me hu obia glass nko a challenge Michelle obibia energy na e ba no kwasia na obi krom su aton no asa ansuo ni nyina yira hwenkitinkiti bi kura na gu fama kwasia na wuti krom ensuo to a wuntimi mpie wuwu sesi ame no kasa me say madam biti Mosi Zongo bra no ensuo to a I ultimate na I just what the bucket between nsuo ni nyina pie efiri ni dam nsuo ni to nyina otwese anti nsuo ni nyaya anadwo na wo night the whole night obeyi nsuo ni sha. These are the reality we should face. Listen to what I'm telling you. Until nobody should bring any useless religion be our platform so you can decide to follow me. I'm telling you, this is the reality. And I obey you, Jimmy. Now America, I'm a boa police for Bechiwa Kotum. O Jimmy, I beg your passport na from Sama Kukura Kwesi Ghana ho. O Bian who bet my Benjamin and Nimabegan Kwasiade. Police are going to take you. I'm judging how Mijana Menium and Nam. Omujaha, may say Minchaba Conchilla Bakuni Jinahi. One a shiny chain, Mammy Chanchilla 1 year. Omujina 24/7. Omunam around. Would Jimmy they will grab you. Now me catch yourself can be a YBI when we can be a shiny uncle. Yamin shall be as OTN of prayer. Ya and ya good dear be Jimmy not do so do. Ah no be crum where a form had no. I am soon to a yard. A yes cement in Yamia. Cosia for Namudi de Munima is dear as Gratian Makwaji. Until the Omu say, Omu politicians influence the religious leaders. No, mama, religious leaders, not Daniel Scafo. Now, Omu good religion, no man, everyone minute to be around for 2020 next year. I'm a catcher, say, Kwabia, when we can be a Shania. Thank you, I appreciate, man. I can't be a YBI when we are. Two bones overcome, I Christianity, one. Na asofo fo ne yasikafo na asore me bre obekọ ayi muslim fo no so na ayi shake fo no enjoy quality life omo environment baba na ayi omo muslim fo na nka say bre. I'm telling you, this is the reality. One, because the politicians ne omo na chase can do no matter that omo say ye beto aba mun convince mun ko for no because omo nim say every religious leader no a mind game, illusion and superstition. It control your mind. The end of the cano baby be the Munko to Mercy, every 1 minute to be a my vaccine. Because in Yasa and Kauba Krum ha, the two Baviana president in Nam Krum, check for to whom no abeni, and so a form ho, ye but to a banner president who know, ye not to a Baviano, Yera Ubehuna, this I 4 years for Frasaba, no Asabe that down. But see a for Namoe, Obian Fanny Quasian, Many brab bro, Ghana, ya, so Bikrum got any more. Men suato nsuoni inatimi ayira now do Jimmy abetina say oh and yes ana tie dia Jonas adi obi atema yemfa sa video no emra ne eme insight ebia wakodi ayifo asorefo asema yan insight Christian fo nyina wakodi nkramofo atema insight nkramofo nyina ya wakodi tradition fo asema yan insight tradition fo na mo mefa mo ni mo Jimmy dia mpa bia mo nye Mopa Monkasa me say I Yesu akokum nipa na Muhammad akokum nipa me fa ho ni obi agimi. The truth is one. Face the country munye kro ni ye. That is it. Na me catch us heavy flag in the boom. Until then me ni obi ani asem. Kro ni ye ya obi a ho nton. I'm telling you the reality. Obi abeji ahye no. Obi a politician ahemfuo hwan yo obi abeji ahye no. This is what I'm telling you, it's reality. Asia Bobby Chroma enum light, ye the ambulance akwata joint, bicycle go obi amewia. Ambulance na tawa no, ni party team, ye chezo obi beka se ni tia ne ya, enkonwa sisi abonte na so free, bicycle na bu okọ ibi ya na obi ayi bi ode kọ no. Ibi na fananti nti anya ofe. Jimmy, anti we nyina hu anya ofe. Enti se nipa ye sa de we, ade ambulance asi joint. Hi, how are you? Ambulance driver ni team. Na obo adwuma, na bicycle gu okọ ibi ya. Dear na chese say nipa we or ye nipa ti say bibini difference in say bibini ya Jimmy keke difference no kwasi ankonya kresi atena so free or ye nipa ti say bibini na bibini krom ye di yarefo ato abobo yam or that drug so near so anu ambulance nsu mi wa esia a e chese obi beka se nitie ne ya na wa Jimmy say na me yo ho adwuma ya was on now what move from Jimmy coming home bia the whole Ghana yen nyina ya Jimmy enti yenya Jimmy na obi ahonto no kwasia wo energy abekwa ma Yesu ana Muhammad ana aikonfa no chi ana tumi bia umfa wani hu da sa fasa energy no kuma ma na odo kwete na wo mo ana odo twe na wo mo no fasa energy no kuma mo because omo da chi na hia no wa Jimmy dodo they are your future. I'm telling you. book na ye de abrɛ no book no eye obi krom no akɔtwero de aba sa kuro no se wo Ghana na anya ye na sentokwasi Ghana ana amane bi si wo Ghana ukokrom ho aye bepam aboy bi ka James oko Israel eko brɛ ya afi o se eko bi wa omo se Israel ko ba kwa ye mamma bi o tie de America no de Bible brɛ ko mote de Bible brɛ no o se ni krom no waba ho dade a o mamma bi o tie de America ko mote ti wo de no kura ye ba ko pe Ghana ni a wutie me listen to me attentively do yo nko se wo ho o ka manwia onua nsisi onua emo onua po ye nka no kura na wo Akufo-Addo waye wanim se he Akufo-Addo gina hanka mebo ne bro me donya me he kama Akufo-Addo gina ha oni ba omi anka mebo mo bro twa anu amako kai $100 million mo dia koye Ghana card aje Canada mu wie ya wo de 500 million say ko kan Ghana population ha na Ghana o kan Ghana for dey kwasiafo nko mu nyina ma jimi kura mu kan Ghana for dey mu faska ko bia adwuma kwasia mo fanche me obi krom konya na gu atraso free bola na sisi wo every 1 minute bi any pede sani krom mu kan Ghana for dey ha ay konya na sisi wo no traso free ni ade na that's been sisi wo any pani nya adwuma nya ni ti o mu tutu kai bicycle na gu yi bi na fanante obi a mewia eno nkofo ayi bi no bicycle na gu eguo Ghana obetimi ni bicycle agu abonten ama ade ache so ade be chi na ni wura befa hey munyina ma jimi mu amusum parliament wonyina obi a echi asa nya kwasi aponko I know obi yiwie ya ode ko this is what we call God. This is what we call Allah. Oh, you are the best one. Oh, you are the best one. Oh, Connie baby. Only in your palm, man in casa. Hello, boss. Hi. Hello. Come in, man in casa. I'm a man in casa. Hello, sir. Hello. Hi. I see why you're busy. Okay, Juma, why you late? Nyamisha will be as with you. Every 1 minute to be a man. What's your for? More kind of fire day? Huh? Move a chase Canada the way you want him, huh? One, Akufo-Addo. TNN mo ministers mo mie to Akufo-Addo table so no hwebi mo mie ma no hwebi mo ye se mo be kan anipa na mo be che sika na dia no kura ye ntia se mo kan obi no mo se koma a teacher for na to school da mu na mo kira de na on be kire nkura na de no tie de meka ne ye mo se asese school fo no teacher fo no se o mo mra no mo na emeka nkofu abra o mo mawie university gufie nya adwuma mo nyina mo ye nkwasiafo tie de meka ne ye and I teach school no kwa class captain na eche nkra na de class prefect a school for teacher for nyina akọ omuko kan nkra omuko kan Ghana for na me catch us every 1 minute ya bye bye the one must say mo bibini agimi kra cha broni krama me donya me mo nyina ma jimi wa wonti ase bia fa kwasia asia hwe ni pada sani krom ya fam konya sisi abonte tena so free we nyina brassmate fo na ye nkonya special way of konya tena so free na bibini krom school dan teacher ni nya konya so ntena onya ba bi mfa ne chokosi we that's be to bola gum free wutimi pagya obi a mewia konya ne nko tena so free huh na me catch us a glass bibini agimi wasia nsuo kura da ka kwa hwe ani na ukura mu nsuo ani ayese Milo tea munyiro bi anya hoto ka ukosisa munyina kogu school mu no mo nkyere nkra na de na kosisa boys na egufio munya adwuma nya ne kogu o so mo nko kan Ghanafo magimi mu kra mo kan Ghanafo nyansa bi ani yempese yebete ase am kan Ghanafo na no nso a mo bayi sisa boys na egufie no munya adwuma nya nipa ne maame aboka de na ko university abobosi ade na ko university wa wie mfaso bi ani so da fie twemframa na mo de wa masi agimi no ho me donya me mu nyina me nkwasiafo minimum si amen kasa kura bio everywhere minute dia my master en konya na sisi what transfer free somebody's job sa de bia beto fom bia no apra somebody's job and okura no odi nam sa o hwese bibia to fom no apra nyame mfiri wie masisi de meye bibia ala emfiri wie meye bibia maw nyame mfiri wie meye bibia maw ko bibini wa na wo se wo ye wade maka kire ni kuro mu kwa wanyew miami niama gusa de awre bia Mecca every year me na sorry no okọ Mecca unim sika okọ se no broni ni di nyansa akreti Mecca na siwo every year before nyina momra mo ba hotel a job creation ne economy na ekoyie tiere me ka che no fa usika na wabra nya nyina akọ fa koma no na fa nya na economy ye tiere me ka no na me ba o me ba we testing COVID-19 ene ye de na ma ye test free testing o Can in Namsa, can a hospital. Can a hospital. And in Nam Umantamuna, which I tested. I want you to come and test me. Or more able to can about if you have a test to free. Jimmy, with the way in Amubabro Chamumehu. Samson, I'll call Isaiah, or my shadow creating baby, yes, you are on a yes, be we. A Christopher Waji correction in Yana, a Ufwado. What time Owusu Bempasika had a school for, yet Ben where the Aniamo school them. Yet I'm near the man, I used to bempa Jimmy for any other man, Cotton Israel. Adenya or Mompire Magana. Say Jimmy more behind your bibu. Tia make a chamono. Oh, behind your son, was 70 bio or 4 more. And so I told you, I no gata. But I'm in the moose, I'm in Casagrabi. Yawa. Yamisha will be as with the truth will always defeat lies. And to I was on Tiasia Biano. I'm telling you, you can unfollow me. And you by force, meaning say be near Jimmy, ya, me and Jimmy Memetia for more, wouldn't him now become, yes, you are Sama Minubu, wouldn't him now become Mohammed, I become him Wako, but Brunisi, there's no proof. What catch them? I'm telling you, no proof, and then no Crobia won't come, Mammy. Nina, a fiction, Bruni Neka, and ye, every 1 minute to be a Bible cinema. Many nothing a chrome, the OUC and no crack. And two ko wiadia ye be chew obiadia de ho amen kofa enu ntina ni krom or the glass nko na ye dan apple head office ni amoye laptops amoye bibia glass nko kromfo bia nia no abebo no. I'm telling you, broni to your phone enra omo frame ye nyina ye ba ho omo launch operating system iOS 15 beta version. Tiria mekano omu design software dia ko Google Play Store, Apple Store. Adani millionaires tiria meka omu aso na kotro Bible brew. Na bibini ti wo se onu pese owu ntem ko. Na okoda bro, okoda heaven. Chimini doso. Every 1 minute be aban bass na we bi ne pese Ghana mpani for yema. Eya me de mu si amen kasa bio. Hwefom pipa bi anto. Yes, pure to run a cobini. I can run in a malbini. And crack it in 8 years, 4 years, 10 years, or Mujaja Kakwa who says this can you be in the chroma. And to the Onoka far book when a bin in the chroma, at then I would you chrome you all. Well, so who say you are sick? Every 1 minute, you are by them. Round for 2021 at Siena. Now, make catch yourself, come here, I'll be I will wake up here, Shanion. Our head. Bibini, Miniano, who's your Yansa Minyao? I don't give a damn. Me classmate for you. I saw the cough one and come before. But I'm enough for 4 pie woman and come before no more. Because the entire omo ya me namfo ne mo ne say because ba bia na mete no ne ye ko school no na eben zongo tina zongo and I ho na me wie JSS antina omo no dos because of say zongo ntina omo carry majority of the Christians, you know. I was school. Your money grew up together. And follow me. All of them support me. Because ya brewa fuomu ho. Mohammed the Magian film. Samsuna Yesu Magian film. I'm telling you, that is the reality. And wow, we say one tiasiano. And I say me beka krama mama divert attention about religious for class to do too much. But anyway, it's all good. Everything is gonna be alright. We want the best. Now we have to force the politicians to do their jobs right. Accident ye kum nipa ni nyina so te ye jai na ya makacho se bibia wa bia nipa na ye wa say akwane brakwa no obi na ni refi no aja bibia to from no pra somebody's job nyame nya hwe okrom ha is somebody's job ti dia me kan dan bia wa bia glass nkwa bicycle ne go bia ni wo ba bia yo ye hu system ni ye adwuma na fe ye se ye bekwa akotiatia match bro sama then we go and do it. Until then there now any religious should go and sleep until Ghana develop glass in Kwa. Wasia for mumu ukobobosia now to play 1 hour be out here 17,000 euros. Dollars, $17,000, 15,000 euros. Why do you hear Juma? Ghana kroni yenye nsuo kura anom na ukobosa abusia we da sumu. Why do you hear Juma? We yare. Telling you that is a reality. Papa Jimmy Kokra na me hu obia na me catch us every 1 minute bia my verse now. If the politicians want to use the religious people to conquer me, it's not going to work because obi abeji atemno the whole bibini bia Jimmy muntie nie because dia we ya dia odi aye ne kwan no ye we wawa odum owawa o ofa free he e free amadun kwanta e free every achiase every sewi bo jaboso na se jaboso fo no omu kwan nyina tutu honse na koku ahodo nyina afiri ba atechem na omu nama empanifo ni nyina agimi tie dia meka no gold yetu na obuase kwan nyina tutu a panifo ni nyina agimi. I'm telling you glass obi a o bi afi bi glass
don't break it down
panifo ni nyina agimi na me catch us a glass o data kwa me na mu afomu a first study mu amugu atakwa me mu afomu nyina mu first study wa na me chan perform tamile bibini wom futuro ogwa ateche meanwhile ade no so akofa firi ukrom na de aba de odi aye nyina firi ukrom aya abo na wajimi se nmanyawa ha munyina ma jimi the whole Ghana obi ya jimi ye nyina ya jimi mekura ma jimi ya jimi dodo me donyame na me ka chose kwa bia wa bia wan we ka bia hia nyo na wo wa teche nsuo to awu na de ne ye fa firi wa ukrom a wo ye nipa Nyami share Bibia so tie no the system is working 24/7. The truth will always defeat lies. Me man no see say Nyami share Bibia, me do Bibia say enche me the woman beba because my heated do. Me dia ground hand me dia tem krama. Wan hwa tema me di no and the social media no bia betwefu asine. Everybody has right to talk. It's democracy. But oh kasa don't threat. Omo threatening nyina anya nkramofo. Tie dia meka no. Ana omo threatening nyina anya Christopher. Omo yan kwasiafo bia mo no. Omo hu di omo nka. Amonya correct because Islamic any Christianity it taught us peace. Ghana Islamic Ghana Christianity it taught us how to be how to bring unity among people. And it is a kwasia bi say on tia say me say Ghana mpanifo agimi na omonye kuro ni ya. Na say wo say on tia say my dear tema onfa ni chimi nko obetimi asofo adimi nsomatem. That's it. That is your limit. Sama bu me ya India bragging. Muye sa na mugu Christosum na nimase. Muye sa na mugu Islamic na simas. Enti every neko obi obeba betre TV si so maskaduro oye malam oye ayibia oye azan oye kronfo on free kramoni bia fie obi a osi oye sofo omaloto numbers bra o maskaduro oni omusun free nyamesum fie omu nyina yenkwasiafo. I'm telling you, they are criminals. Enti omunyi omunyina free TV no so obi osi oye kronfo beji loto number beji sikaduro yini munyini free TV so anya kronfo papa wa Jimmy. I'm telling you, that is the reality. And the truth will always defeat lies. Nobody is bigger than the truth. No religion. Yeah, no religion is bigger than the truth. Ghana penny for that is all what we need. To a platform. Not betting the organizing my demonstration. Demonstrate against unianum ne o ma menoma mo breno e wo man tamu no wodi adanse se adwuma kura bi ni ho enipa nam desert so ko fa Libya fo kura yenkramofo nsu duru ati de o mesi abo no omo mfa ho se ukura buta omo mfa ho se wo ye kramoni omo mfa ho everyone minute bi abai sinam everyone enti kramoni bi ani ho abekọ ne kuro mo obeje o tie de America no ukrom ne Ghana ho yes Kristo ni bi ani ho abekọ ne kuro mo obeje I'm telling you the reality. I'm telling you that is the only truth. You be beginning to mean no kre wa Jimmy I be before nyina ya Jimmy and you intimate no kre and I no kre no and can ya me before I even started this program I know the implication of a black man because many be beginning and nyini abedru ba bi amaduri many be before na tia just recently na many broni better ti many say be bini krom no wa be ka no kre no ho ahi onim say ade we ye one pa na ya tro two so no agboji ade say two e na ma me kire wa wonim say ade we ye no kre na ubeji ntro ade no wo ye kwasia ti re me ka kire wonim say ade we ye one na because of a who any chibinti any superstitious belief and to beka odi ehu beji edi se ade ane no kro osi aye ntoro no wagimi che nipa bia just be truthful ti ye nyina ka no kre e kire ye ho a anki ye hu aho kire da ya ma usika se hwe so usisika ne da banga bayira wan wakodi usi ayira wadi awsimadi ti ye me ka kire no. And you want to doubt, you know, politicians be you see as the only has a question anyway, nam one. What betting Ghana for you secret you? And come for home, I saw the call for home, hey, tradition for home, politicians near them, Nana Shomosa. Ombejano, I got you bulldog. Ombeja from phone, I got you bulldog. I don't know someone got you from for. And this thing, or him said, I'm 1 year from for. And so when Jimmy wa Jimmy to wajan ho kwachi innocent person. And on a church who said Nipan did no crane but you are believing lies. I'm telling you that is the reality. Ultimately, Obian Fanny said Mununko, I don't give a damn about what you think. Ebia cry and what on the chain bibini. Ebia senior Samuel Kwasia bibini flower crown your busy with them. Now me catch us a glass in Kwan. I'll tap the kwami them where for Mobiano first study. The system is working 24/7. Life is good in heaven on earth. Why won't you say be a for Jimmy Ko? Me do be as you be no bye bye. Now me catch us a Highland and I'll pay your Joe and a taxi war heavy no my in your Biaman and phone. Now be chrome or the Highlander V8 I taxi. Now chrome Tico Crown, Toyota Camry, Toyota Corolla Crown to home Petra. I was so to me who said Nipan Waya Bois Petronus, yes, I told you chrome. Ye 2 oil Dubai omo yankram fo ko hwe mu krom fe na ko Nima omo yankram fo na majority wo na ko Alaba omo yankram fo na majority wo na ko wahu ni ameche no sanso na wo ba America eye yankram aya Christopher anso he kro no na wo he glass nko a o ko London aya Christopher ye kro no wasia Christo ni ono no ko fa Bible ba ni krom ne ma de omo ye nie omo ye adwuma forever and ever o siesie ni krom na ati wo se me kokwa ma ya chebron sama wo ya aboa bi aboa mu aboa eti ya jime dodo ye nsesa ya ye nye ye da ono the Bible na to wo siesie ni kro samre hwan na chebron sam ko Ghana ko hwe BFM station carry baba ye baba ye ti abron samso oni adofo ade be ko abema katu na bachi kutu obetimi akoye adwuma som ne man Not yam kali baba baba. Oh yo baba baba baba. Hey baba baba. Ye chabron samso. Ye chabron samabuno. Yamisha Obibi so tienokre. The system is working 24/7. Glass in one. Otiata kwami dem we full man of study. Na me catch yourself kwami ya wa bia wa we. Na me catch yourself every 1 minute in ya by bass. O ma buy kra na buku af my heat dodo. Bye. Life is good in heaven on earth.